Hi, Simon here from Unified AV again. In this next video we're going to look at the Smart Lesson Activity Builder Activity Rank Order. So in this it's anything that can be sequential. For this example we've got a foundation or an early learning type activity set up where it's just counting by twos from the smallest to the biggest. So the kids are designed to come up to the board, put their answers in. Once they've completed the activity, they can check their ranking. 4 ticks shows that they've got it correct, so it gives a little bit of positive reinforcement back. For higher year levels, so going into upper primary or into a senior school type environment, you might get an activity that is a little bit more complicated around, say, stages of frog's growth. Now this activity has been created and we would just need to drag and drop them in. So we'll start with some eggs, embryo, cling to water plant, then they grow some gills. This is where it gets a little bit tricky after here. So maybe some front legs start to appear, no. They become a young frog, no. Maybe the hind legs appear. So the tail keeps growing after the external gills. Then some front legs appear, no. The hind legs appear, correct. Then their tail starts to become shorter. Wouldn't have thought so. They need to become a young frog first. No, they don't. The front legs probably appear before they can have a shorter tail. Then they become a young frog, and then they lastly are an adult frog. So it automatically ticks it. Again, we can refresh and start the activity, or as we've learned in other videos, we can broadcast this out to the students on their own devices for their own student-paced learning. Be sure to stay with us, get smart, and tune into our next video.